Good morning, all of you. Now, today we are going to study about the second chapter, and that is work and energy. Now, we will see now. Now, you see in the pictures, you see four activities are given to you. So, we will discuss what is work. Okay. Now, generally, any mental or physical activity is referred to as work. Now, in the picture, you see two persons are working. See here that girl but is reading or writing, but that is not a mental work. It is a when work is said to be done when a force applied on an object. You see, work is done when a force is applied on an object. Then it is said that it is, in a scientific word, it is a work. Now Meenakshi wants to displace the wooden block. Okay, so has all the energy she spent has been used to produce the work. When force is applied, only then work can be done. Now, to have a, now we know that work is nothing but force into displacement. Here F relate to force and S relate to displacement. So work is said to be done when force applied on an object causes displacement of an object. Now F is equal to force and S is nothing but the displacement. Now we can write W is equal to F into S. You may already learn that the work done by force acting on an object product of the magnitude of the force and the displacement of the object. Now you must have seen the event depicted in the pictures. Two events are there. One is about the cars and one the boy is carrying one small car or plastic car. Okay. Now in the both the cases the direction of the force is different from that of displacement. Now the boy is carrying the toy, so the cart is pulled along the horizontal surface, and also that what is holding that thread, no, so that is in the different angle. So angle is created between the direction of the force and the direction of that cart. So the angle is there. Now let F be the applied force and F1 be its component in the direction of displacement. Let S be the displacement. The amount of work done is given by W is equal to F1 into S. Now you see here we have made the angle. Okay, I have seen already. So the theta is the angle, okay, between the force and the displacement. Now cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So we can write cos theta is equal to F1 upon F. So F1 is nothing but F cos theta. Thus the work done by F1 is W is equal to F cos theta S. Okay, you see the hypotenuse is shown in the angle made by the base. This is base. F1 is the base and F is the hypotenuse. Okay, so then the formula we are getting W is equal to F is equal to cos theta S. Okay, now we are having that the base and the hypotenuse we got. So the angle is made by the cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and that is cos theta is equal to F1 upon F. So F1 is equal to F cos theta. Thus the work done by F1 force is nothing but W is equal to F cos theta S. Okay. Now you must have already seen the events depicted in the pictures, where B and C are the that we have seen already in the pictures. Okay. Now when a child puts a toy card, force is applied along the direction of work done. In such cases, the cart is pulled along the horizontal surface in this case. So work is equal to force into displacement. So in SI system, we will see now calculate the work is nothing but we have seen the work is nothing but the force into displacement. So in SI system, unit of force is Newton. Okay, so in SI system, for unit of force is Newton, and that is indicated by capital N. Now what is displacement? Now in this case our unit of displacement is meter. Okay, thus that is capital M. Thus the work done is force into displacement. Now 1 joule. If a force of 1 Newton displaces an object through 1 meter in the direction of the force, the amount of work done on the object is 1 joule. Okay, so if you want to calculate 1 joule, it is nothing but the force of 1 Newton. Now in CGS system, unit of force is dyne, unit of displacement is centimeter. Okay, thus the unit of work done is dyne into centimeter. This is called an erg. Okay, this is called an erg, dyne into centimeter. So 1 erg is nothing but a force of 1 dyne displaces an object through 1 centimeter in the direction of the force. The amount of work done is 1 erg. Okay, so if a force of 1 dyne displaces an object through 1 centimeter in the displacement in the 1 erg is nothing but 1 dyne into 1 centimeter. So we have seen about this, as we know that 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meter. We also know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 Newton is nothing but 10 raised to 5 dyne, and 1 meter is nothing but 10 raised to 2 centimeter. Okay, then that is 1 Newton is in SI unit, and 10 dyne is nothing but in CGS. Like that, 1 meter is in SI unit and 10 raised to 2 centimeter in CGS system. Okay, so we will calculate now 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne, and 1 meter is 10 raised to 2 centimeter. So finally work is equal to force into displacement. So we will write now the values of force into displacement. So 1 joule is nothing but 1 Newton into 1 meter, and 1 joule is nothing but 10 raised to 5 dyne into 10 raised to 2 centimeter. So finally if you add the product 10 raised to 5 and 10 raised to 2, so it is will be 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter. Okay, so you just add the product or indices 10 raised to 5 and 10 raised to 2, that will give 10 raised to 7. Now positive, negative and 0 work. Now we will see now what is positive, what is negative and what is 0 work. When you observe the picture now, you see stopping a moving car by applying brake, that is we are giving the negative, that is nothing coming in the negative work. The direction of the force and the displacement are the same, so it is in the positive case, positive work, while in some cases they are perpendicular to each other. So in these cases the work done by the force is as follows. When the force and the displacement are in the same direction, that is 0 degree, so then the work done by the force is positive. When the force and the displacement are in opposite direction, that is in 80 degree, so the work done by the force is negative. But when the applied force does not cause any displacement, or when the force and the displacement are in the same means we are swinging, we have seen that swinging of a person. Suppose an artificial satellite is moving around the earth in a perpendicular direction, so as the gravitational force acting on the satellite along the radius of the circle, so this is the example of 0 work, and its displacement along the tangent are perpendicular to each other. The work done by the gravitational force is 0.